Hi students, welcome to the problem solving session on Stokes theorem. Let us see this problem. Verify Stokes theorem for a vector field A is equal to rho squared cos pi A rho plus z sin phi A z around the path defined by rho varies from 0 to 3, pi varies from 0 to 45 degree and z is equal to 0. So first we have to draw the path, then only we can come to one conclusion, right? So path is like this, right? X, Y, Z. It is in cylindrical coordinate system. Rho and z are given. So what is rho value? Rho is a radius of the cylinder, right? So it is drawn from xy plane. Rho varies from 0 to 3, right? So let us assume this is our rho. Rho varies from 0 to 3. 0, this is 3, right? And pi is 45 degree. So we draw pi like this, right? Hope you know in cylindrical coordinate system. So pi is 45 degree. Okay, and what they tell is z is 0. So this is pi is equal to 45 degree, and here also it should be 3 only. It is 3, it is 3. So it is an arc like this, right? Okay, this is what our path, right? Okay. Now what we have to do? Now we have to apply Stokes theorem for this closed path. It is going from here to here and here, here. Right? For this contour we have to apply Stokes theorem. Let us see this. Okay. Why I have drawn this? Then only it is easy for us to work. Directly if you write it, let us write a Stokes theorem, right? What is Stokes theorem? It relates surface and line integral. So del dot A dot ds is equal to a dot dl. I want the right hand side is closed contour integral. I want first contour. I want to see the nature of contour. It's the nature of contour. Rho 3, phi is 45 degree. This is what contour. Now what I have to do, let us see, this is point A, point B, C. So I find A to B, B to C, C to A for this right hand side. Then left hand side, del cross A I find, integrate it. Okay. So let us see that problem. Okay. Now we start with the right hand side. Right hand side is a dot dl. A dot dl I write as integral from a to b a dot dl plus b to c a dot dl plus c to a dot dl. That's closed contour. I write like this. So from a to b, what is happening? First we write that. Right, from a to b, what is happening from a to b? Rho is varying from 0 to 3. So rho varies from 0 to 3, right? What happens to phi? Here phi is 0. Z is also 0. Z is given in the problem. It is in xy plane only, so Z is 0. Okay, so this is the condition. Now I find a to b a dot dl as right here only r is varying. What is a vector? A vector is given in the problem as r squared cos phi, right? The problem r squared cos phi, so rho squared cos phi and a rho plus z sin phi a z, right? And here what is the only component varying from a to b? Here a to b, what is the only component? Rho component only varies from 0 to 3. Pi is not varying, z is also not varying. Rho only varies from 0 to 3. So dl is given by d rho a rho in cylindrical coordinate system. What is a dl in cylindrical coordinate system? D rho a rho plus rho d phi a phi plus dz az. Here only rho is varying, others are 0. So this is 0, this is 0. I write dl is equal to d rho a rho. Now here let us keep like this. A rho dot a rho is rho squared cos phi d rho. Az dot a rho 0. So rho varies from, here integration is with respect to rho. rho varies from 0 to 3, right? So if you simplify that, what will happen? And phi is 0 to phi is 0 only, right? Here phi is 0. So what is happening? 0 to 3 rho squared cos 0 is 1 rho. So what we get is rho cube by 3, right? So rho cube by 3, 0 to 3, that we will get is 9. We simplify, what we get is 9. So from a to b, the value of the integral is 9. So a to b f dot dl is 9. Next we go to b to c. In b to c, what is happening? Go to the contour. In b to c, here you see angle varies from, here it is 0, here it is 45 degree. So angle varies from 0 to 45 degree, but r is same 3 only everywhere. If you draw arc, it is also 3, it is also 3, it is also 3. So r is constant, pi is varying from 0 to 45. Okay, so r is 3 only, pi is varying from 0 to 45 degree. As usual, z is equal to 0. Okay, so since pi is varying, what is dl value? Only pi component is varying, so we can write d phi a phi only for cylindrical coordinate system, right? Rho component is 0, z component is also 0. So why? You see, already I have written here dl value here. Now pi only, right? So pi only vary. So what is the dl value? Rho d phi a phi only, right? So this is the only thing which varies, right? Now we will see that. Okay, now we will go and see, right? And what is the integration? Integration is f dot dl. F is given by r squared cos pi ar plus rho squared cos phi a rho z sin phi az, right? And what is the thing happening? D phi a phi, right? And dl is rho d phi a phi. Okay, rho, I forgot, rho d phi a phi, right? No, sorry. You see rho, this rho is there, right? So don't forget rho d phi a phi. But what is the thing is, a rho into a phi 0, a z dot a phi 0. So the answer is 0 here. Okay, so the integral from b to c f dot dl is 0. Okay, next we go to c to a. From c to a, what happens? Again we know how the diagram was there. It was like this only, no? Hope you remember. This was like this only. This is c, this is a. Here rho is 3, here rho is 0. That is only varying. So rho varies from 3 to 0. Pi is 0 only. Pi is 45 degree. Here pi is 45 degree. This is what pi 45 degree. As usual, z is 0. So pi is constant, rho is varying. Since rho is varying, we have only rho component. dl is given by d rho a rho. Now what is my f dot dl? F is given by rho squared cos pi a rho plus z sin phi az dot dl. dl is given by d rho a rho. Okay. Now what is the dot product? A rho dot a rho is 1. So rho squared cos pi and pi z a z dot a rho 0. So this is d rho only. Now the integration varies from rho integration with respect to rho varies from 3 to 0. What is pi value? Cos 45. So substitute Phi is equal to cos 45. Cos 45 is 1 by root 2. I take it 1 by root 2 here. Fine. And this will be 0. Rho square 0. If you simplify, what you get is minus 0.6364. Right now, total closed F A dot dl is given by, already we got 1 plus 9 0 minus 0.6364, right? Sorry, 6.634. Please change it. Okay, so minus 6.63364, 6.364 we will get. So minus 6.364, we get 2.636. This is what our left hand side. The right hand side. Left hand side is del cross A dot ds. So first we have to find del cross A. For this is what spherical coordinate system. So I told how to remember all the values. So what is the thing? We know the spherical coordinate system, and sorry, it is a cylindrical coordinate system. For cylindrical coordinate system, a rho, a phi, a z, rho by dou rho, rho by dou phi, rho by dou z, right? And here you put rho value. Okay. So what is the what do you call, right? The del cross A value we have to find. Del cross A is given by near arrow component. Arrow component is, as per the problem, it is rho squared cos phi, right? So rho squared cos phi, and it is pi component is 0, z component is z sin phi. Okay, so this is z sin phi, right? And we have to write properly. This is right. So what will come here? We have to put rho value. So if you simplify, what you get is if you find the integration, you will get sorry, if you find a matrix equation, what you get is r sin phi az. This is whatever del cross A. Okay, so del cross A is this one, right? Now what we have to do is okay, so it is, sorry, here also we have to put 1 by rho, don't forget, right? So here rho A, right? Here it is 0. Okay, del cross A, we got it. Now what we have to do, right hand side, del cross A dot ds, right? So del cross A is along r sin phi az. Okay, so r sin phi az, right? Okay, r sin phi az dot ds we have to write, right? Whenever our vector is along az direction, what is ds in cylindrical coordinate system? Ds is given by d rho rho d phi a z. This is what ds for a z direction. So instead of ds, you substitute rho d rho d phi a z. Okay. So now what will happen? Now it is given by this is surface integral, right? Don't forget surface az dot az is 1. So here r, so instead of r, rho sin phi, what is the question? It is rho only, right? So everywhere rho, don't put r, right? I changed the problem. I didn't use r, rho. So rho sin phi d phi, right? So cylindrical coordinate system. So phi varies from 0 to 45 degree only. As per the problem, they have given phi varies from 0 to 45 degree, right? And rho varies from 0 to 3. Rho sin phi d phi. Okay, sin phi d phi. Integral of rho is given by rho squared by 2. Rho varies from 0 to 3. And sin phi integration is minus cos phi 0 to 45 degree, right? So it is what is that? ds is okay. Here also one row. Here one row is there. Rho into rho squared. Rho squared. So it is rho cube by 3. Rho cube by 3. Fine. It is rho cube by 3. If you simplify, what you get is 2.636. This is equal to our right hand side. So now the Stokes theorem is verified. And Stokes theorem is verified. Right? I hope you understand the problem. If you have any doubt, please ask me in comment section. Thank you.